welcome to Let's Cook It. Today we want to show you how to make a butterfly shrimp. Yes, we're making a special butterfly shrimp today. It can be used for special appetizers or a starter, or you can use it for surf and turf. If you're making a nice steak, or you're making kebab or a chicken breast, so you can put the shrimp beside it, so it will be like a good surf and turf. So today what we're gonna do, let's start with the breaded first. I'm using a panko breadcrumbs, dill, paprika, salt and pepper, so let's blend them a little bit. Perfect, that's what we need. Just put it here. So now we're gonna work on the shrimp. The shrimp I'm using here is a 10-13. So sometime when you read numbers on the bag, this is per pound. This is how many pieces per pound. So the one I'm using here, it's a 10 to 13 shrimp per pound. Let's start with it. I want to show you how to butterfly them first. Have them nice and clean. So what we need, just grab the knife, slice like 3/4 way, and when you get till the end, and this one is still the shell on, and you just crack it to be butterflied and ready to go. Let's put it on the side. Let's do the rest of the shrimp. Voila, the last one. So for the dipping, what do I have here? Butter. We're gonna melt the butter. We're not gonna overheat the butter, just enough to melt. So let's start the stove here. Put the butter in. Voila, as you can see here. Now what we're gonna do, turn off. And we're gonna add cooking wine and fresh lemon squeeze. And let it cool down a little bit before we dip the shrimp in it. Nice, good to go. Now make sure you preheat your oven on a 450, and the first things what you do, you just dip your shrimp in the butter mix here, and you go in the breaded crumbs. And that's how it's gonna look like. Goes on the tray. So you dip it in the butter, in the panko breadcrumb, the special blend we made, and you continue doing this till we finish it all. Voila, you're doing the last two here. And the last one ready to go. Now what you need, just give it a little squeeze fresh lemon on top. And ready to go in the oven. Turn off the oven. Take them out. Beautiful, nice, look at this. And that's one of the reasons why I like to bake the butterfly shrimp, not to fry them, because the way they curl, they kind of like look nice on the plate. I'm gonna give it a try. So let's move one on the plate, and you grab it from the top here, and it should come easy from the shell. Look at this, beautiful. Wow, exactly the way I was expecting it. So it's oven baked butterfly shrimp, not deep fried, and it tastes amazing with the butter and the wine and the lemon mix and the panko breadcrumbs on top. It's an amazing starter, amazing appetizers, or you can use it for surf and turf on a steak or chicken. So don't wait to make this one. It's all yours to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.